good morning, good day, and good night wherever you may be. Welcome back to Living with Ataxia. This is Art Thomas. Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about trunk and coordination exercises for the second time. I'll put the first part video in the description below. Trunk meaning the main part of your body such as your back, chest, abdomen, and pelvis. One exercise you be laying on your back and the others using all fours as demonstrated. All exercises are just as beneficial as balance and walking. Try and do these exercises every day in 3 sets of 20 and increase the count meaning 3 sets of 20 plus. Exercise 1 is the bird dog. Before starting the full exercise, start with your arms first, then your legs. Once you have done that, combine both arms and legs at the same time as demonstrated. For example, the right leg and left arm, and also in this exercise including the next exercise, hold the stance for 5 seconds and continue. This exercise is very important in restoring your balance along with strengthening other parts of your body such as your core. Like I've said in the past, having a strong core is critical for all workouts and most importantly your balance. To add, when extending your leg, ensure your heel is extended with your toes inward towards you. You want your body as straight as possible. You may have difficulty doing the bird dog exercise, so do this exercise at your own pace. It may take you multiple variations to get comfortable doing this. Exercise 2 is the donkey kick. Not only does it help with the bird dog exercise, but it's a good stand-alone workout. Yes, this exercise is good for your legs and balance, but it is also good for your back, glutes, and core, believe it or not. Just like the bird dog, you want to be on all fours for a good base, and when extending your leg, and do your best at extending your leg as much as possible with heel extended and your toes inward towards you. As you can see, my feet flare out, and it started when I broke my femur but got worse when I got diagnosed with ataxia. Again, once your leg is extended, hold the stance on each side for 5 seconds. The third and final exercise are star crunches. Lay on your back, which can be difficult for people with ataxia to get down, and raise one leg and the opposite arm up as demonstrated. When going down or relaxing your body, ensure your feet, hands, and head all hit the ground. There are multiple variations of this exercise, but start with this first. This will go along with future videos on the abdomen. I'm hoping this can help everyone. I encourage everyone to share your improvements because I know they work. Prove people wrong on what you can and cannot do with ataxia. Keep pushing forward and stay positive. If I can prove people wrong, so can you. You will get better, but it doesn't happen quick. Help bring awareness to ataxia by pressing that like button, sharing this video, subscribing to the channel, and click that bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. It's all free, and thank you. Future videos will drop 3 days a week if everything goes as scheduled.